she was fighting. God has been so good with us. From the moment na nag-agree sila ni Papa na palakihin kami sa foundation na meron kay Cristo. With that alone, it's such a very big blessing that we'll be carrying all throughout our lives. But always sinabi ni Pastor that she has lived her life in accordance sa purpose na ginawa sa kanya. And this might be a tough moment for each and every one of us. But one thing that she's taught us, that we cannot rely on our own strength. He is our source of joy, our source of strength, our source of everything. We might be shaken during this time, but with God, it might be lonely in the house sa ilan na lang kami. With the light that she is shed. But we know that her memories with us will always stay. And we'll be able to carry it through not with our own might and strength, but with the power of God living through us. And sa dami ng words of wisdom na in-impart na sa amin, we know that we'll be able to carry it. Thank you for everyone and spending your time, your effort to go here. And with all your donations, we appreciate it so much. Truly that when God orchestrates, yes, I mean, wala man si Mama dito, but yung kung paano in-orchestrate ni Lord, we may not fully understand what's happening, but still, His plan is to prosper us. There's still a bright future ahead of us, sabi nga niya when we were in the hospital. We have a bright future ahead. Nauna na siya mag-travel doon kasi gusto niya mag-travel through sky. Inigisan niya lang. So, sobrang gala niya po. Kasi gala po si Mama, sobra. Hindi naman niya nga lang kasi naman po eh. But, yeah, sa lahat ng gala ng ito rin natin siya. Ayun, so, yes, sabi nga niya lagi, it's our house first. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. So, again, thank you so much for everybody. Now that we appreciate everyone po. Ayan, salamat po, Charlotte, na mo tatay ko, pero sobrang appreciate ko po kayong lahat.